This is the Bafang DP C010 display. The shell of this display is made of PC plus ABS material, the top cover is glass, and the waterproof level is IP66. This is the light sensing area. There is USB charging here. The interface is USB-C. The maximum charging voltage is 5 volts and the maximum charging current is 1 ampere. There are 3 buttons in total. Long press the power button to turn on the display. Here it shows the battery level, here it shows the alarm, and here it shows the real-time speed. Short press the power button to switch to display real-time time, single mileage, cumulative mileage, maximum speed, average speed, remaining mileage, cadence, and riding time. Here is the speed bar display. Here is the icon display, showing the headlight symbol, USB charging symbol, maintenance reminder symbol, and Bluetooth symbol. Here is the power mode display. Short press the plus and minus keys to switch the power mode, and the page color will also change. Long press the plus key to turn the headlights on and off. In boost mode, you need to short press the minus key to go to this page and then long press the minus key to turn on boost mode. In the main page, double-click the power button to enter the data summary, where the riding data is displayed simply and clearly. Short press the power button to turn the page. Long press the minus button to quickly clear trip, max, AVG, and time. Double-click the power button to return to the main page. Long press the plus and minus keys to enter the shortcut menu, where you can set the brightness, automatic shutdown time, and the clock to 12 or 24 hours. The theme has 3 themes to choose from: sporty, technology, and fashion. Which one is your favorite? Here you can choose 4 out of 6 total modes. The page display effect is like this. You can pause and view it freely. Here you can choose yes to achieve a single mileage reset. After all functions are set, don't forget to long press the plus and minus keys to save your settings and return to the main page. Next, I will show you the main menu. On the main page, long press the plus and minus keys to enter the shortcut menu first. Select Other to enter the main menu, and click the plus and minus keys to turn pages. Here are display settings, information viewing, language settings, theme settings, advanced settings, riding param settings. Press the power key to enter the instrument settings. Check here. Single mileage reset. Unit switching, select metric or imperial. Maintenance reminder. A reminder will be issued if riding exceeds 5,000 kilometers. Light sensitivity. Press the plus key, minus key to select the level. The larger the number, the more sensitive. Power on password. Reset the power on password. Then come to the information viewing page. Press the power key to confirm to enter and view all information. Battery information viewing. Check the controller information. Check the display information. There are 6 language options for language settings. Choose the one you are familiar with. Theme settings I mentioned before. Advanced settings. Enter the password 1919 to enter. Here you can set the wheel size, wheel perimeter, speed limit, reset password. Riding param settings. Set the speed limit for each gear here. Set the output current limit for each gear here. After completing the settings of all pages, remember to press and hold the plus and minus keys to save and return to the main interface. Now, connect the app Bafang Go Plus. You can turn the lights on and off and set the gear on your phone. This page shows the real-time speed. You can also set the destination and map the navigation to the display. All the settings are clearly written on it. Set custom riding parameters here